Meaning of kept woman.
Kept woman.
Kept woman.
Kept woman.
Kept woman. The term kept woman generally refers to a woman who is financially supported by a man with whom she is romantically involved, usually in exchange for her companionship or sexual favors. This can imply an arrangement in which the woman is dependent on the man for her income and lifestyle, and may not have financial independence or autonomy. The term can also carry a negative connotation, as it suggests that the woman is being objectified or exploited for her looks or status.